Watch me hit the Crave button.
Hey, and welcome back to Cravecast. I'm Nathan.
I'm Dan.
And we had a great week last week at Crave. Thanks for joining us if you were there. What happened?
Last week we had Crave did Youth Alpha. That was good. And Mac shared his testimony, which was also great. That was a really good experience.
Yeah, that guy is incredible. So he's one of our awesome leaders, one of the many. So come out tomorrow night and get to hang out with the rest of them.
Yeah, and tomorrow night we got Crave Serves coming up. Tell us about it.
Nathan. Crave Serves tomorrow night. We are actually inviting the children of the neighbors of the church to come over and hang out with Crave. We're going to watch a kids movie. We're going to face paint, have a barbecue for them, give them prizes. It's going to be so much fun for them. So please come out and serve alongside of us. That's what we're all about at Crave, and it's going to be a great time as we do that.
It's going to be good. Also, guys, not this week, but next week, we got Mexico applications due.
That's like 8 days away.
That's basically 8 days. That's almost 9 days.
Get your applications in.
It's really important you do, guys. You want to get on this team. I just went last year for the first time. Life-changing experience. And we got a deadline, so hit it up.
Yeah, because all of you have been like, oh, we're coming, but we need your applications to actually secure your spot. So please fill that out this week and bring it in even tomorrow night to Crave. That would be great. You can check out our website, our Facebook page. The applications are on there, and get it in.
Yeah, or even just come chat with us and we can hook you up on the spot when you see us.
We could.
It's doable.
We could do that. Okay, Saturday.
What?
This is like the best week ever. Saturday we have our Crave road trip. This is an annual thing we do, year number 3 now for us. We are going up island for a day of whimsy and adventure and bowling and swimming and food and a Slurpee run and all sorts of other awesome stuff.
It sounds magical.
So you need to be at the church here at 9:45 a.m. with your swimming stuff, and bring socks for bowling because it's gross if you have to like rent socks.
Yeah, rental socks.
Gross. Yeah, so bring your swimming stuff though and your socks and $20 because it's going to be awesome.
Yeah, it's going to be a good time. Guys, this week we have a special prize for those that are watching Cravecast. For the first person that comes up to us this Wednesday and refers to Nathan and myself as the Sons of Thunder.
Well, you'll find the Sons of Thunder.
We'll get a
Sons of Thunder. That's the secret
That's
phrase.
your secret phrase. Sons of Thunder.
Sons of Thunder.
Yep.
If you first person to come up to us on a Wednesday that is one of the youth, you will get a prize for doing so.
Of $20 monetary value or more.
Yeah, somewhere in there.
It'll be good.
It'll be
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
I think that's it for this week. So see you tomorrow night for Crave Serves. I'm Nathan.
I'm Dan.
And we'll see you soon.
Well, you'll find the Sons of Thunder.